Hello guys, welcome to the course of ES6. In this video, we will be talking about object destructuring of JavaScript to assign properties of an object to an individual variable. So let us take an object with two properties. For example, we have the object person having two properties, first name last name. Before ES6, if we want to assign the variable to the properties of the person, we will typically do fname, let fname equals to person dot first name, let l name equals to person dot last name. So the value of f name is John and l name is Ramsey. Now we will look into the object destructuring syntax that was introduced in the ES6. Let first name f name name equals to person. In this example, the first name and the last name properties of person object is assigned to f name and l name respectively. So if we print out f name and l name respectively, we can see the value of John and Ramsey. Similarly, you can do declare the same variable, same properties name of the person object without declaring the new variable name. So this convention is also valid. You can see the output first name and last name John and Ramsey, which is declared as a new variable. Here, for example, if we have the third properties in a person object, current age 28, suppose, we can for example, we declared a value, we declared a name, variable name is, and supplied current is. Here the 18 is the default value. The properties of the person object with current age is empty, then it will use the default value 18. For in our case, the age, so we use the current age and supply a default value of 18. So if the person object does not have the property current age, it will take the default value of 18. But if we have the current age with certain value, then it will take the value that was supplied. Similarly, we can assign a separate variable, declare a separate variable age for the current age, and if we print out age, the value 28 will be printed out. We can use the object destructuring in the nested object as well. For example, let us take a object with id 1 and containing the nested object name with the properties first name, and last name. Then we can similarly declare let name so we can see EF name oh sorry, I forgot to employee employee. So we can get EF name is the first name and EL name is the last name of the employee. So thank you for watching, guys. This much for this video. We'll continue on to the next video for the next topic. Please subscribe to my channel.